Optimism may register a 6% gain by July 1, coin price forecast indicates. Let's start things off with a brief look at today's market behavior. At this point, Optimism has seen a 5% drop today and is priced close to $0.0959. Now it's time for the analysts' takes. 30 rates expects a dip to $0.0952 by July 1, showing a decline of 0.7%. Coin Codex sees a path for Optimism to reach $0.0963, implying a move up of 0.4%. According to Traders Union, it could test $0.1004, an increase of about 4.7%. Another prediction by Coin Price Forecast expects Optimism may climb to $0.1017, roughly 6% above now. Finally, CoinLore projects the price at $0.1036 by tomorrow, 8% above current price. It's the most lucrative outlook overall. That's the full picture for tomorrow. Time to see what else is ahead. Let's take a closer look at what each forecast could return. The combined outlook suggests movement anywhere from a decrease of 0.7% to a rise of 8%. From all predictions, CoinLore takes the lead with 8% improvement in value by tomorrow. It's clear you might secure between $4 and $80 for every $1,000 you invest. With volatility factored in, CoinCodex's forecast carries a 96.3% probability of hitting the target. With the forecasts combined, I've built an overall consensus outlook. Based on the consensus view, Optimism is expected to gain around 3.7%, approaching $0.0994. Let's go through it step by step. The consensus forecast points to a 3.7% increase in price under current market expectations. To put it simply, your capital could likewise gain by 3.7% if the scenario holds. On a 1,000 position, that would be about $37 gained. This consensus view is linked to a chance of about 83.4% of materializing. At this moment, let's examine the short-term 3-day views. 30 Rates believes the short-term chart reflects balance, without strong upward or downward signals. CoinCodex points to the price breaking higher in the short term. Optimism is likely to advance, also Traders Union notes. Additionally, Coin Price Forecast suggests bullish momentum will carry the price higher. In this forecast, meanwhile, CoinLore describes a rising path. The consensus, built from multiple analyst perspectives, suggests Optimism could climb during the 3-day horizon. Taken together, the 5 forecasts indicate that Optimism may move higher, with full agreement among analysts. According to the gathered forecasts, 100% of analysts expect Optimism to advance in the near term. 2 days ago, 5 predictions came out. Let's check how they lined up with yesterday's move. By the close, the price stood at $0.1004. As it turned out, only a minority of forecasts aligned with the move. If accuracy is the measure, then CoinCodex came out on top. Now comes the breakdown. 2 forecasts stayed inside the span of the daily candle. For ROI performance, several analysts finished above zero, and Traders Union had the highest return of 0.8%. And now, the overall results are on screen, everything in one view. At a glance, CoinCodex was given 97.1% forecast probability, accuracy, and 0.1% ROI. Take a closer look and see who seems to be performing best in this set. And now let's see how tomorrow's return expectations differ among Optimism and other assets. According to tomorrow's forecasts, Optimism is expected to show the best performance with 3.7%. This comparison features Optimism with 4 random cryptocurrencies. A broader analysis can already be explored on my website. You've watched it all, thank you. If you found it useful, drop a like before you leave. Stay tuned, bye.